Lori Lou G. Garcia, to all members of the Board of Trustees, to our guest speaker, Mr. Claude Russell Discrillo, to our manager for administration, Ms. Princess B. Pusat, to all teachers and staff, to all parents who are here supporting their children, and to my fellow students, especially to my co-graduates, class of 2014. A blessed day. This commencement exercise is the opportunity for me to verbalize my address in this fruitful occasion. Every year, young graduates just like us conclude one chapter of our journey and set sights building a successful life. I have a multiplicity of events that happened in school. I was only 4 when I started junior casa until I reached grade 6. Within 8 years, I encountered many improvements in myself as a student. Honestly, prior to my studies here in Nice, I was nothing but a childish student. I prioritized playing with my toys and refused to study unless someone told me to do so. But I was a well-behaved student, and along with my co-graduates, I woke up early in the morning. I prepared my school materials and waited for my fetcher to bring me to school. Also, I was eager to meet new friends or answer questions on a quiz on my favorite subject. Time after time, I realized the importance of education since this school means has an excellent standard system of education. We, as students, are lucky to have this institution. I believe that means is our first step to be our best leaders in the future. We learn in this private non-sectarian school the importance of discipline with positive attitude, good sportsmanship, and working hard to reach this full potential. We have smart and sincere teachers who teaches us a lesson on the subject daily. They always challenge us to become a better person. I greatly applaud the Montessori family who lifted me up for who I am today. One of the graduates and the class valedictorian. Today, my fellow graduates, we are here in this special occasion, our commencement exercise. This is the most awaited part. Not the end, but the beginning of struggle for existence. Our life's next chapter and the preparation for a better life. We must remember that we, as the graduates of this generation, will just start our journey, going out into the world today with our dreams. As we go on into our life, we encounter obstacles. For all of this, our life becomes complicated. In line with our school's 11th year foundation, allow me to share to you the 11 values Means has taught me for everyday success. 1. Avoid negative sources, people, places, things, and habits. 2. Believe in yourself from every angle. 3. Don't give up and don't believe. Or, hang on. to your dreams. 5. Keep trying no matter how hard it seems. It will get easier. 6. Ignore those who discourage you. 7. Never lie, cheat, or steal. Always write a fair deed. Number 8. Practice makes perfect. 9. Winners never win, and winners never quit. 10. Exert your best efforts. And 11. You are unique among God's creations. Nothing can replace you. In line with the theme, shaping the hearts and minds of global individuals for a better tomorrow, Montessorian values which help us pave the way to a better living, since this will bring us closer to God. Values which hold a place or rank in an individual's heart are persons, ideologies or ideas, things that are important. Hence, choices in life must be essentially determined by what really matters most of the person. My fellow graduates, our success will depend largely on how we value our chosen field of endeavor. As individuals, our life is full of struggles, full of temptations, and full of confusions. We are surrounded by people who will discourage and mislead us on our way to greatness. We will be dreams which will put us down, and if we forget to ask aid from God, we will turn helpless, as such will be mocked by those negative people. Remember, my fellow graduates, we are the masters of our destinies. We are responsible to our rise and fall. All of us are here on earth to accomplish certain purpose. God has chosen us, tools and instruments, for us to accomplish certain specific purpose. We are compared to raw materials in which destiny promotes peace, love, freedom, justice, and equality for all. My entire experience here gave me inspiration and delight for this school's evolution. Lessons learned and values never dwindle or change. In you, the more it increases. My fellow graduates and everyone in this event who thus for hard work and dedication to learn to get to this point. Let's give ourselves a big hand. To our dear parents, we thank you for your 100% time, support, guidance, and endless love. To my dear sister Ray, sooner you will face the same challenges as I did today. That's why I give the inspiration for you that you can do it too. To our dear mentors, we thank you for all your kindness, graces, knowledge, and love that you have showered to us for more than just elementary years, but also for a decade of serving us here in Leeds. I would also like to thank the school for excellent teaching and crossing campus for us as students. It was no other than the school means. Again, thank you.